Hey guys, it's Scott Anderson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to chat about how to succeed and make money online in 2020 and not look back and don't look anywhere else. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm going to break this down in really simple terms here. Be very cut and dry. Okay, so first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell notification if you'd like to be notified of all videos. If you like this video, please smash the like button and comment below. And if you do comment below, you will have a chance of winning a free 30-minute coaching call with me. Here is the name of the winner from the last video. Thanks for commenting and being a part of the channel. Email me, scott@scottandy.com. And let's get that scheduled, okay? All right, guys, how to make money online 2020, where to start for a low price, and how to get started, okay? So I want to relate this to baking a cake, okay? Let's say you want to make the most delicious cake, and so you're looking up all these recipes, and you see, oh wow, there's 50 right here. There's the top 5 right here. I'm not sure which one to do. This one has 4 stars. This one has 5-star reviews. You know, I'm just trying to go through it. What do I do, okay? Well, you've got that confusion going on, just like making money online right now, okay? There's like so many different things you could do. You can do e-commerce, you could do dropshipping, you could do Amazon FBA, you can do affiliate marketing, you know, all this stuff, and like how to start. How much money does it take to get started, and how much time do you have, and all that stuff, okay? There's a lot of confusion. So which one of those cakes do you want to bake? So I'm trying to simplify your life by kind of guiding you through the right path and direction to go with, okay? So not only do you have to choose the right recipe, or what type of cake, but you need to choose the right recipe, and within that recipe, you gotta follow it, okay? So I'm overall giving you the best recipe to get started quickly, okay? And I've gotta, it takes 3 things, and maybe more, okay? Number 1, you need to follow some sort of system, some sort of plan, some sort of cut out thing, because if you don't have a plan, you are going to be distracted, and you don't know if your ideas, just starting out, if your ideas are going to work. Like, you could maybe try to copy or implement something that someone else is doing, but are you going to be successful? Okay, think about that recipe and baking the cake. If you've never baked a cake before, you don't know if you need 3 eggs or 2 eggs. You don't know if you need flour and this and that and all that stuff. Okay, so you need to have some sort of system or program, and you need to follow it exactly just as if you were to bake this cake, all right? So if you want the cake to be awesome and amazing, you seriously have to measure everything perfectly, because if you don't, then it's gonna be different, and it's gonna have a different outcome. So my suggestion is find the right system and follow it to a T. Seriously, don't get distracted. Don't like, oh, I'm started making this recipe for this cake, but I also see this recipe. Maybe if I can combine the two, maybe I can make this awesome thing. You're just complicating the process if you're wanting to do that, okay? So, do you want to make money in 2020? If so, my suggestion is follow this simple steps, okay? So, once again, you've got to have a simple plan. And you can find simple ones, you can find more complex ones. I'm going to refer you to a very simple one at the end of this video. So stay with me there, and I'll reveal that, okay? All right, the next thing you need to do is put in the work. You need to put in the effort, okay? Just like baking a cake, you cannot just expect to buy the recipe and expect it to produce an awesome cake. You have to put in the work. And you know, baking cake and having it turn out perfect, maybe, you know, adding all the ingredients and all that stuff will take the time, you know, 15 minutes, whatever, and then putting it in the oven, and then the frosting, and you know, letting it wait. You know, maybe that's a 3-hour process. I'm not going to guarantee you that you're going to start making money in 3 hours, but you do need to be patient and implement the things that you're needing to do. And over time, you will be making money, and you don't have to pay for doing paid ads. I mean, you can do that, but I'm teaching you the best, most effective way to get started with affiliate marketing with very little money. You will have to invest a little bit, and I will explain how much. I think you'll be surprised. Okay, let's see. We talked about you need to have the right program, you need to put in the work, and then lastly, it's just focus, okay? And once again, that's following the same recipe. It's kind of going the same stuff, okay? So, what is the program that I'm going to share with you guys? Well, the cool thing is that you can dabble with this, look into a product that I've already am a part of and that I promote. And the cool thing is this program you have the potential of earning $1,500 commissions, or even up to $2,500 commissions at $2,500. How awesome would that be to land a deal and have $2,500 come to you in your bank account from one sale? Guys, that is the future of affiliate marketing. There's lots of programs out there that are doing this type of thing, and it's going to be a wave of effect, and you need to jump on it, okay? So, yes, you have to invest in those products, but guess what? You don't have to pay thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars to even get a taste of the type of training that you'll get in these type of programs. But you can try out the program and get started for $7. There's a $7 thing where you can get started. It's called the High Ticket Affiliate Secrets. And in that, you will learn how to kind of how the structure about how to make high ticket sales, okay? There's that, or there's literally just for $1, get started and learn and be a part of the HTA program for 14 days. Guys, this window might close very soon, but if you're interested in just doing that for $1, then you can kind of see what's out there and learn, and then you can implement. But guys, time out. That's not it, okay? So you got the $7 program that I think will last longer. The $1 program might end tomorrow. I seriously don't know. But I know that from what I've heard, the Facebook group that I'm a part of is that they did the $1 thing, and they're thinking about closing it, but I still have access just that I can share with you, okay? So, but that's not it. You need to invest in the next program, and it's an order bump that you can only get if you get the $7 or the $1 program, okay? And that's called Launchjacking. And this is where you are going to follow that specific recipe and only that, and you can make great money, okay? Yes, this does require work. You need to get yourself this probably will only work if you're willing to do a YouTube channel. But guys, YouTube is big, and you can make great, awesome money from a YouTube channel. All right, and you can grow very quickly if you just implement and put in that little time every day. All right, or every week. Okay, it doesn't need to be every day, but the more you do it, the better you're going to get, the more money you can make, etc. Okay, so spend $1 or $7. Add your credit card. Take the order bump, spend the $37 for this Launchjacking, follow the recipe, rinse, repeat, keep doing that, and voila, I'm very confident you can start making money here in 2020. So I will add a link below, and this is not gonna go to a sales page, it's going to go to a messenger where it will be me. It'll be Scott Anderson answering your questions, getting to know you a little bit, seeing what path is going to be best for you, and maybe seeing if this program is right for you, what I've explained, or maybe there's another thing. Maybe you don't want to be on YouTube. Maybe you don't want to show your face, etc. Then I can help guide you in the right direction. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, hanging in there with me. I really appreciate your time. Please smash the like button if you like this video. Comment below if you'd like to be a part of or if you'd like to enter into the 30-minute coaching call session. And if you have any questions or suggestions or comments about this video, okay? You guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Oh, click the link. It's scottandy.com/chat. And let's chat. Let's see where you're at. Let's get this thing, let's get the ball rolling so you can start making money in 2020. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye.